Hey guys,
What's up?
my name is Haley and
My name is Abby.
and today we are going to be doing a beauty unboxing video.
Yes.
So this is a foot spa thingy and this is a mystery box. We don't know what's in it, so because we bought it and we haven't opened it, so we're all gonna see what's in this at the end. But don't forget to
Subscribe
turn on those notification bells, push all,
and give this video a big thumbs up.
if you enjoy. So let's get right on to the video. Okay, so first we're going to be doing
Can I open it?
the foot spa thing. So she's gonna open it and then
So, for this foot spa thing, let me open this.
here.
So, I'm opening it right now.
The box is gonna be destroyed after this.
So, we got this. And then,
So
next
this
thing,
is
we got some socks. They are super comfy. I love them. Let me see if they fit me. Let's see these socks. Ooh, these socks are nice. Look at these socks, Haley. Look how nice these are. Haley, look. These feel so comfy. I should wear these like every single day. Hey, look at them. Haley, what you looking at? Oh, you're looking at the instructions. For what?
oh, so this is
These are so soft.
some Let It Snow white tea foot lotion.
And then these are socks that are so comfy.
These are very soft socks.
Haley, you should.
I think I'm gonna try them on. I hope they fit my feet.
But if they don't, just give them to me.
And by the way, we're
Ooh,
sisters.
see, told you.
So
See?
socks fit on me.
They're super comfy,
And
right?
these are super soft and comfy. So if you wanna if you get this, you can use these for sleep or something, but they are
They're
super comfy.
super comfy.
So now we're going to open Zim.
First, let's
Oh, yeah.
try out this because we haven't tried out this.
So
So
the directions are
So
smooth a small amount of lotion gently into the skin until all of it absorbed. Use daily to keep your skin feeling soft and supple, I think.
okay, so
But so just to here, I can.
I got it.
So if you guys buy this, you can. So you put a smooth a small amount of
There you
lotion
go.
gently into the skin
I put it on.
until it is
you can
absorbed,
see, guys.
and then use daily to keep your skin feeling.
So
Well,
now we have to
absorbed.
wait till it gets absorbed.
No, you gotta rub it around.
Rub it around. Ooh, this is nice. It feels super smooth. And it smells super good. Smell it, Haley.
I did.
Let me smell it.
Does smell very good. So that
Now your feet are going to smell super clean.
and they're going to get moisturized and feel good.
So
So now we're going to open the mystery box. Okay, three, three, two, one.
Whoa.
Okay, so I can kind of already tell this is from Justice.
And there's so much pink stuff. So first,
It's all pink. So this thing is a loofah, if you guys didn't know. A
we got this
weird-shaped loofah.
perfume. Let's
So
try it on.
that's called
Oh, it's nice.
Shimmer Body Mist.
What is
so like
this?
some shimmer perfume. And I
What
think
is
this
this?
is all shimmer body stuff.
So what
And
is
this is shimmer body lotion. So we have more lotion.
Can you put it on?
But
me?
this is
Let's
body
see.
lotion.
Let's see if it's good. Oh, it's pink. Is it pink?
Like everything. And then this is some shimmer
it-
body wash.
it
So
smells
you can
super
use
good.
this loofah with the shimmer body wash
And then
because
smell my hands. I know,
so
it smells super
this is I think we all know by now, a Justice and a shimmer body box because there's all shimmer stuff and it's for your body.
Mhm.
So this, and it's unicorn. So yep, that's what was in the mystery box. We didn't know at all. Hope you guys enjoyed. We might be making more, but hope you guys enjoyed today. So, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notification bells, push all, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. So, bye.
Bye.
Love
See you
you.
next time.